Hey, new teachers! My name is LJ Petulia, and I am one of your secondary math strategists. I'd like to give you some information about assessments in Grand Prairie ISD. So this video is going to be over the why, the what, the when, and the how of testing in Grand Prairie. The why. The goal of district assessments is to monitor student learning, to provide ongoing feedback that can be used by teachers to improve their instruction and by students to improve their learning. More specifically, assessments help students identify their strengths and weaknesses and target areas that need work. The what? Grand Prairie provides teachers with specific assessment blueprints to help teachers and students know what will be tested on their district assessments. To check out the Q1 blueprint for the courses you're teaching, go to the GPISD Secondary Math Canvas page, then to Documents and Resources. Click on the Documents and Resources tab and select your course. There you will have access to the YAG, assessment blueprints, pacing calendar, unit planning guides, plus additional resources. The when. All secondary math courses will have 2 district-created assessments each quarter. Mids, or midterm assessments, occur during the 4th or 5th week of each quarter. Your campus assessment coordinator and leadership team will decide which days the mids will be administered. These assessments consist of 10 questions, multiple choice, numeric, plus the new STAR 2.0 question types. Sums, or summative assessments, occur at the end of each quarter. Your assessment coordinator and leadership team will decide which days the sums will be administered. These assessments consist of 25 or 30 questions, 25 for non-tested subjects, 30 for tested. Multiple choice numeric plus the new STAR 2.0 question types will appear on these tests as well. The how. With each of the district assessments, mids, and sums, teachers will have access to digital data trackers created by the same group of people who wrote the test. The trackers can be used to help teachers and students identify strengths and weaknesses and help create personalized instruction based on the data collected through these trackers. I hope this gives you a little bit of insight into assessments in Grand Prairie. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to your strategist or to Marty Cardenas, who is the secondary math facilitator. Thank you, guys.